Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Tash. And at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is going to be a Glamoween eye makeup look. So if you're interested to see what I do, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. So to start off, I'll be taking my P. Louise base and applying that to my eyelids. And to start off, I'm going to use the Cheeky Bits Rise and Pop palette. And I'm going to take the yellow. And I'm just applying that underneath my brow as my transition shade. You can also get 10% off of all of your Cheeky Bits orders with the code tashxglam10. Details down below. I'm then going to take the orange and place that underneath the yellow. Going to take some more of that base and clean up my crease. Now I'm going to take this one here and place that on the outer corners. I'm then going to take some of this purple here and pat that right in the middle. I'm then going to take Candy Floss from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette and put that on the inner section of my lids. And then slightly blend a little bit of that purple over the top of it. Taking a fluffy brush and blending out the edges. And then I'm going to use my NYX Aqua Luxe liner. And then taking the blue from the Rise and Pop palette and just bring that underneath my eye. And then I'm going to take a bit of that purple as well and do the same thing. Going to put some black eyeliner in my waterline. And then I'm going to line my upper lashes with some black liquid eyeliner. Now to add a little bit of Halloween into this look, I'm going to be using some paper lashes that are cemetery themed. So I'm just using them as little stand-up type things on my eyes. And now I'm just going to add some little Halloween sequin type things around my eyes. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!